All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is quarter number 2 of my playthrough. I was really just going to play this game that I got requested to play. I think people wanted to see kind of how this game plays, and the flow and all that, and I guess the complexity of it. And now I'm in it. So here we go. Lakers get the ball down by 2. Johnson, this is an update from the previous quarter. Johnson is on the bench. Magic Johnson is on the bench. He has 3 fouls. And these guys turned sideways are letting me know that they're on the bench, either in foul trouble or taking a break. And Danny Ainge is in for Dennis Johnson. Dennis Johnson started. Danny Ainge probably should have started, but I also want to go over another thing that hasn't been covered in previous videos. So you have this fatigue on the players. So 1 point of fatigue, as you can see, that was Larry Bird, is 6. 1 point of fatigue is half a quarter. So basically 1 quarter is 2. So Larry Bird can go 3 full quarters and then he would be done. So if you're playing how you're trying to be realistic on the player's time, that's how they got the minutes played by fatigue points. And granted, he might have been 6.5 or something like that, but they just kept it at 6. So it kind of makes it a little bit more strategic on the replayers if you're trying to be real. Like I probably would have took Johnson out when he got Magic Johnson out when he got 2 fouls, but I thought I was just doing a quarter of a playthrough, but now I'm kind of suckered in. So thanks a lot, Jen. And I'm going to get it going. Lakers get the ball because they lost the tip. And Michael Cooper is in for Magic Johnson. So, all right, Lakers inbound the ball, coming down. Left guard, Cooper, is going to take an outside shot. Outside shot is a 1. That's a miss. Miss by Cooper. Rebounds coming off right forward. Walton over Branch. Branch's offense is 6. Walton's D is 10. Walton comes down with that. Celtics coming down. A pass to the right guard who passes to the post. Split with LG. Shot by LG inside. Still in the first part of this is a +2. LG is Bird. And Bird's, there's no change on Bird from Johnson to Cooper, so his stayed the same. I didn't do the adjustments up here for Cooper when he came into the game against Bird. LG +1 inside, so an 8 turns into a 9. That's a good shot by Bird inside, 2 points. Lakers coming down. Branch, he's going to shoot it inside with a +1. That makes him a 4. That's a miss. Bird, rebound. Rebound is to the defensive center, fast break AB. Parrish with the rebound. Pass to right forward, who shoots outside, -2. Outside is a 6, that makes it a 4. Good if 5 or better. Wow, Walton it toilet bowls around and comes out. Rebounds coming off. Defensive right guard, Scott, I'm not keeping track of rebounds, gets that. 1 or 2, a pass to 1 or 2, shoots from inside +1. So, who is 1? Worthy would be 1. Scott would be 2. Shooting inside is a +1. That's going to be Worthy. He's a 9. +1 would give him 10. Shot is good. Coming down, Bill Walton. Inside, no modifier. Miss. Shooter's fouled by the right guard, so Walton is fouled by Byron Scott. Scott picks up his 3rd, and Scott is going to go sit down. Ooh, AC Green. Scott and Johnson are just... who am I putting in? I think I'm going to do Michael Thompson. And I know what you're thinking. It's a center / forward. So on this card, he's a center / forward. I'm going to put him in where Branch was, and Branch is a guard, so I'm going to put him over there. In fact, probably going to swap these guys around. So Branch is the shooting guard as I shift the entire stadium. All right, I think we're good. All right, now I wish I remembered what I was doing. Shot was missed by Walton, and he was fouled. Thompson, I got to put Thompson in. Apologize for the delay. Free throw is up and good by Walton. Second one up and good by Walton. No number check, just good. All right, Lakers coming down, left guard. This is going to be Branch. Subtract 5 from the shot rating unless dribble rating is 8, 9, or 10. Nope. So it's going to be -5 from his inside shot. Oh, yeah. So his inside is 8, and he's guarded by Bird, which is a 4. That is 4. Ooh, offensive foul on the center. Kareem picks up his first. And the Celtics coming down right forward. Walton's going to get it. Inside +1. That's going to be an 11. That's a good shot. Lakers, left guard. That's going to be Branch outside. -1. His outside is a 6. That's a 2. So 1. Going to Branch. See if he can. Nope. He misses. Rebound's coming off. Defensive left guard, Bird. Passes it to Ainge. Ainge passes it back to Bird. And it is stolen. Turnover. No steal check. Right forward. Thompson just came in the game. +1 inside. His inside is an 8. -5, it's a 3. +1 is a 4. Non-shooting foul, defender's rating is a 5 or above. Defender's rating is a 5 or above. Yep, Walton is an 8. Yep. So Walton picks up his second. And they will reset because it's a non-shooting foul. Right guard, Cooper, outside -1. Cooper's outside's a 5. -1's a 4. -1's a 3. Missed. Shooter fouled if defender's foul rating is a 7. You know what? I think I might have misread that card. If defender's rating is a 5 or above. It doesn't say foul rating. I would imagine it must be fouled. He's getting fouled. All right. Shooter fouled and the defender's foul rating is 7 or above. Ainge is 3, so nope. That's a miss. Miss by Cooper. Rebounds coming off. Defensive center, Parrish. He's going to pass it. He's going to get it right back to the post inside +1. His is a 10, so an 11. Good shot. Parrish comes down. Lakers need something. Right guard, Michael. Cooper outside, no change. So his outside is going to be a 5. 4. And that's a miss. Cooper. He can only find brickwork. Rebound. Actually, Cooper's going to get his own rebound. Who shoots inside +1. And that is inside is a 3. -1's a 2. Back to a 3. He's just hoping for a good result. Missed, and shooter is fouled by the right guard, Ainge. Ainge picks up his first. So, Cooper's shooting. Free throws a 71. He's got an 84. He's good. Second one. 91. Won't do it. He hits and misses that one. Rebounds coming off. Defensive left forward. It's going to be McHale. And then get it into Parrish. Shoots a hook shot inside. Subtract 5 from the shot rating. His inside's 10. -5's a 5. Shot is still good. Parrish. Going down to 1. Worthy. Inside +1. That's a 9. That's a 10. That's a good shot. Shooter's fouled if foul draw rating is higher than the last digit of his team's score. So his foul draw is 8. And higher than a 3, he is fouled. So he hits the shot. And he shoots a free throw, I should say. Free throw is a 93. Woo, it's up there. He's a 74. He's going to miss that. All right, rebound coming off. Parrish gets it. Celtics coming down. They're going to try Walton. So what Walton can do outside is a -1. He's a 6 -1 is going to be 5. That's a missed shot. But Walton Rebound's coming off. Rebound and tipped in by last digit of the score. Oh, this is interesting. I saw this flipping through the cards, but it never actually come up in a game. So, rebounds coming off, tipped in by the last digit of the Celtics score, because that's the Celtics. And so it is 2. So 2 to 4 is Mikhail. Mikhail tips it in. It's his first basket. Man, did I just tap that? I don't know if I adjusted the score. Let's see. It was 20 to 22. I've got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6. Yeah, it's 12. So, no, it did not. There we go. Sorry for the delay. Branch pass to right guard, who gets a double screen. Right guard outside -1. It's a 5. It's a 2, 3. That's a 3. Still a miss. Cooper's trying. He's shooting enough for everybody. Rebound's coming off to Thompson. Thompson is 1, so it's going to pass to Worthy. And Worthy is fouled before the shot of defenders rating 6 or above. Good otherwise. Mikhail is a 3, so he's not a 6 or above, so it's good. Worthy. I feel like there's 2 there. Okay. All right, coming down, giving it to Parrish. Open shot, so he is an 11. Plus 2 is going to be a 13. Missed. Shooter's fouled if defender's foul rating is 2 or above. And Jabbar gets his second. Well, what do you do? What do you do? Parrish. Missed that one. Free throw is a 93. He needs a 72. That one is off. No good. Second shot is good. What are we going to do? Jabbar going to stay in with 2 fouls. And the Lakers are really the only ones. Walton's got 2. What do we do? What do we do? Can bring Billy Thompson in at forward. Shift Michael Thompson. Thompson brothers. And we're almost. Let's get to the halfway mark of this quarter. See if he can go. Okay, crap. What was I doing? Okay, Lakers coming down. Center. Jump shot outside, no change. His outside's a 5. Blocked if defender's block shot is higher than the last digit of his team score. His block shot's an 8. It's a 5. It's blocked. Okay, gotta look for who grabs it. That's a 6. Walton grabs it. Celtics coming down, right guard. Ainge gets the ball stolen, turned over. Fast break if A, B, C, or D. So Michael Cooper steals the ball. Fast break is a 3. Center scores. So Lakers are definitely trying to stay in there. Jabbar stayed in and he scored. He's paying it off. Those cheap fouls that were called. Pass to 1 passes to the next player who makes a bad pass, turnover, unless the pass rating is greater than the last digit of his team score. Otherwise, use the action. We are in the second quarter, so use the defense steal rating. And the next player. So Bird is going to pass to Walton. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. So this, I'm trying not to do this, but it just comes up. So Bird is number 1. He's going to pass to the next player who makes a bad pass or a turnover, unless the pass rating. Well, down here it says in quarters 2 and 4, you use the defense steal rating. So the next player is going to be on the top of this card. That's how I find out who the next player that who Bird passed to, is going to be up here. That's Walton. So now we're going to look at Walton's defender steal rating. And Walton's defender steal rating is a 1. And it needs to be greater than the last 1 is not greater than a 9. So now we figured all that out. Now we got to use this action. RF, so it's, he's going to shoot it -1. From his outside, he's a 6, goes to a 5. Just wanted to break that down to show you how that works out when you get to, then he passes to the next player. The next player's on the next fact. At least that's how I play it. Makes sense, because as soon as it says otherwise use the action, you're just going to use the action on the next player card, because that's the guy who got the pass. I'm going to stop talking. Worthy pass to left forward who gets an open shot, +1. Worthy's open shot inside is an 11, so it's a 12. That's a miss by Worthy. Yeah, okay. Rebound's coming off. Oh man, that's a big bonus. Right forward 7. So Thompson has 3 + 7 is 10. Walton is 10. Tie goes to the defense. They're going to come down, give it to Ainge. He's going to be inside. +2. His inside's a 5. -1 is a 4. +2 is a 6. Shot's good anyways. I usually don't do the math. I'm just giving it to you in the videos, so I would just flip the card. Right guard, I'll do it how I do it normal. So inside +2, that's a 3. We won't worry about the math till I flip this card. good. Shooter fouled. If draw. Nope, just a good shot. Cooper hits. Bird. Outside. 4. 3. Foul before shooting if shooter's foul draw rating is 3 or above. 10. So they'll reset. There's a foul before the shot. Center. Defender if center's dribbling. Defense. Steal. Is less than the team's last digit. So Kareem's steal is a 1. It's not less than a 1. It is a 1. So he doesn't steal it. He's going to keep it. Otherwise, pass. He passes it, comes back to him in the post, +2 on his inside, so 10. That's a 12. And these things like sticking together. Shot's good. Lakers coming down. 2 is going to be, who is 2? Kareem. Inside, no change. That's a 9. Shot blocked by defensive center. Parrish, I think that's his second block shot. I haven't been keeping track of the blocks, rebounds or anything like that. I'm just doing actual baskets, misses, and baskets. Defensive center. Parrish is going to get it after the block. They're going to go a fast break. Fast break is McHale. Nope, that's Walton. Walton in the fast break. That grayed out. Lakers coming back down. Right guard. Outside, -2. That's a 5. That's a 4. That's a 2. Shot is good if -2 or better. And he's just a 2, so that works. Cooper. All right, we are at the TV timeout. Halfway through this quarter. 2, 26, 19. That's going to be McHale. Inside, no change. Fouled before the shot if defender's rating is 2 or above. Worthy is a 2. Worthy picks up his first foul. That was before the shot, so I think I'm going to leave Kareem in. You know, he's got a fatigue of 5. I'm gonna bring him out. That we would be at a TV timeout right now, anyway. So he is gonna come out. They're gonna put. We got 1. Smirk. Yeah, we'll put him in there. Kareem's got 2 fouls, so he's going to come out. Put Smirk, I think that's how you say it. Wipe that smirk off your face. Smirk is in. Smrack. That's probably it. Smrack. Mike. I'm just gonna call him Mike. Lakers are coming down. Post. Inside. His inside's a 9. -3 is 6. No change. I keep doing it. I'm just doing it for the camera shot's good anyways. How about that? Smirk comes off the bench and makes a basket. Left forward, McHale, -1 on the outside, 7 and 6. It's a miss. McHale, rebound. Left forward, offense gets a +1. That's a 4. That's a 5. Worthy gets the rebound. Right forward, Thompson, +2 inside. It's an 8-10, -5. So 5 good if a -1. Thompson. And just like that, the Lakers are coming back. Walton. See if he can do something. Inside shot. Good if 0 or better. That's Walton. Very, very good. Very much above 0. One is Worthy. Passes to the next player who travels with the ball unless the dribble rating is greater than the last digit of his team's score. It's got to be greater or else he travels. That's going to be right guard, Thompson. And his dribble rating is a 6. Score is a 7. Thompson travels. Bird, outside, -2. That's going to be a 2. That's a missed shot. But shooter is fouled by defender. Branch picks up his first. He's going to go join the other starters here shortly, I'm sure. Kareem and Magic and Scott. All right. Bird, that was a miss, but he was fouled. Free throws up and good. Second one on the way. Good. All right, Lakers. Cooper outs from inside or passes. He is going to pass because he's less than 17. Says pass is going to go left forward. Worthy. Inside, no change. That's a 9. That's a good shot. Worthy. Celtics 1. This is going to be Bird. Inside +1. 9. Blocked if defenders is rating 2 or more. Block shot. Branch does block the shot. Who's getting the loose ball? Defensive center. Smrack. There we go. 1 or 3. 1 passes or a pass to 1 or 3 who shoots outside. -1. 3 is going to be Branch, and Branch outside's a 6. That's a 2. Worthy is going to take the shot. Missed. He is human. Rebound's coming off defensive center. That's going to be a fast break. Let's look at this 3 column. That's held up. I'm going to go off of this since we looked at that. I'm going to go off of that, which is actually going to be Parrish, who turns the ball over, stolen by defender A, B, or C. Now they're going to get a fast break, and the left guard, Branch, gets 2. Ainge, outside, -1. That is 9, 8, 7. Good shot. Ainge buries that from 21 feet. Left forward, Worthy. +1 inside, 10. Good shot. Did I don't think I put that on for Ainge. All right, number 2. Who's 2? That's going to be McHale outside. All right, so we got a 3-pointer. These rarely come up when I'm actually looking at it. He is going to shoot a 3-pointer. Outside's a -3. McHale doesn't really ever shoot a 3-pointer. He can, but he's got a 0. See if he hits it. That's a miss. Miss 3. He probably hit he played in 68 games. He probably made 2. Rebound, offensive center, Parrish. Roberto. Oh, come on. As we get my sleeves this week, can't wait. It's going to be 1, which is going to be Bird. Inside +2, that's a 10. Offensive foul, charging on would-be shooter, which would be Bird. Bird picks up his first. Lakers right guard, Cooper. Wait, hold on. Right guard, he makes bad pass. Turnover. Okay, so coming back down. I was like, I thought that I saw turnover. Walton outside. I can't see him hitting a 3. He's going to be outside, though. Yeah, let's make him shoot a 3. He needs a 0. -3 from outside, so he's a -3. That came back. Either way, he would have missed it. But good if 3 or better. That sucks. That sucks. He is human. I mean, he's been hitting everything else. Why not throw it up? Offensive right guard. Ainge grabs the rebound. And number 4, who is number 1, inside +2, 10. That's a missed shot by Bird. Rebounds coming off. What's going on with these cards? There we go. Defensive left guard. That's going to be Branch. He's going to get it over to Michael Thompson. He's going to go inside. No change. Inside's going to be an 8. 3. That's a good shot. Oh, okay. Yep, that's a good shot by Thompson. Thompson makes 2. Okay. How about that? Lakers tied it up. They haven't been tied up since it was 0-0. 1 or 4. They're actually the same. Outside, no change. Yeah, this is annoying. Every time I pick up. Good. Shooters fouled by, if foul draw rating is plus, is a 2 or better. Bird hits it and is fouled in the process. Just when the Lakers showed up, Bird did too. Who fouled him? Branch did. And Branch now has 2. All right. We're nearing the end. Left guard, Branch. -1 outside. Wait. He won't pass. He's higher than that. So, -1 outside. His outside is 6. That's a 2 -1. 1 misses anyways. Rebound is coming off. Right forwards. Walton gets that. Bird from outside. Fouled before the shot if defenders rating is 6 or above. Branch fouls him. This Branch is a 10. Branch picks up his 3rd. They're going to leave him in because his fatigue is 4 and he's about to use up his 4th rest of this quarter. So, what was I doing? He fouled before the shot. Okay. So going to right guard, outside, Ainge. It's a 9 -1 is an 8. Misses. Shooters fouled if defender's foul rating is 3 or more. And Cooper is a 3. Cooper picks up the foul. And Ainge is shooting 2. First shot is a 60. He needs an 89. He hits that. Second shot is good. All right. Lakers right forward. Thompson. Is he below 7? He is. He's going to pass to Branch. We are 2 minutes left. So pass to Branch. Outside. Miss. Shooter foul. Defender's rating is 4 above. It's just a missed shot by Branch. Rebounds coming off. Defensive center Parrish gets a fast break. Fast break is left forward. McHale. He travels. Turns it over. 1 in the post. Gets a double screen. Inside shot. +1. Inside will do smirk. I mean, Doesn't have a 1, it's just that, which means it's the coach's choice. Non-shooting foul if defender's foul rating is 10. It is not. So it's a good shot by Smirk. Or Smirk. Smirk. Man, that does not roll off the tongue easily. Walton inside plus open shot. That's a 12. That's a 13. It's blocked if the defender's rating is 4 or more. Oh, block shot I meant. Yep, it is blocked. Who's going to get it? Offense gets a +1. 4. Oh, yeah. Thompson grabs that. Thompson will grab that. And the Lakers are heading down. Going to give it over to Smrek. Smrek is +2 inside. That's a 9. That's an 11 -3. It's an 8. Shot is good if 8 or better. Wow. Talk about working it in. And Smrek hitting that one left forward. McHale. He's going to go outside -1. That's a 6.